What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and today is day 45 of this beginning 5K program. You guys are rocking it, so let's get moving. All right, day 45 is upon us. Fantastic. Today's actually a rest day, so that means you can either rest or you can work out your upper body, or you could do a stretching routine or yoga routine, but just make sure that you are saving those legs for the next day because you're going to have a workout then. So even though it's a rest day, Coach Robin has something to say, so here she is.
Hey everybody. It is Wednesday, and that is rest and recovery day. So today I am just going to do a couple of yoga vinyasas. I don't even know if I'm going to do them 100% right, but I'm going to do what feels good to me. And then I might roll out a little bit with my roll recovery. So I'll show you that afterwards. So I'm going to kick my shoes off. It's so nice out today here that I've decided to do this outside. Not sure what my neighbors think, but if you know me, you know that I don't really care what they think. So I'm doing something good for myself, and it's all good. So let's see. I'm gonna reach up, and then I'm gonna do a forward fold or forward bend. Then I'm going to come up with a straight back. And then I'm going to go back down again to forward fold. Downward dog. Some people can jump up to this. I don't. This feels really, really good. I'm going to do one more. Let's see. Plank. I think this is called chaturanga. I am clearly not a yoga instructor. I just know what I like to do. And this feels really, really good to stretch out. There we go. That felt good. So now, I will just take my roll recovery here for a minute. And this, yikes. I think I said that the last time I used this. It really hurts in a really good way. I kind of go slow, and then once I get warmed up, I can go a little faster and work out some of these tight muscles. So anyway, I'm just gonna do the other leg here real quick as I say goodbye to you, and tell you to have a great Wednesday, a great day off, whatever it is you decide to do. And I will see you back here tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to do the same thing we did yesterday. We got ourselves a 2-mile run. So have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, you guys are doing awesome. You are kicking butt in this program. 45 days down, day 46 is tomorrow. You're doing fantastic. Great job. Also, if you like this program, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit the subscribe button, and that way you'll be notified every time we put out healthy living videos. And they all have great tips, so they're very helpful. So you want to make sure you get those. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you know anybody who can use a beginning 5K program, and this is a beginning 5K program, anyone can do it, I believe. Make sure that you share that with them so that they could start the program too and get the same benefit that you're getting. And the great thing is it's all free, right? So make sure you hit that subscribe button and share it, and everything will be fantastic. And we will see you tomorrow, because tomorrow is a workout day, so giddy up. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.